Element attributes are used to provide additional information about an HTML element. They can be thought of as key-value pairs that store data related to the element. Changing element attributes can be useful for updating the appearance, behavior, or content of an HTML element. For example, you might want to change the text color or add a new class. When working with element attributes, it's essential to understand the difference between attribute names and values. Attribute names are the keys, while values are the data stored alongside them. The getAttribute method is used to retrieve the value of an attribute. It takes a single argument, the attribute name, and returns the associated value. The setAttribute method is used to change the value of an attribute. It takes two arguments, the attribute name and the new value. Let's see how to change the text color of a paragraph element using setAttribute. We'll update the style attribute with the new value. When working with element attributes, it's essential to avoid common mistakes. Make sure to use the correct attribute name and value. In this video, we covered how to change element attributes using the setAttribute method and retrieve attribute values with getAttribute. We also discussed key concepts, practical examples, and common mistakes. Now that you've learned how to change element attributes, it's time to practice. Try updating different elements attributes using setAttribute and getAttribute. Thank you for watching this video on changing element attributes with setAttribute and getAttribute. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to ask.